Today is a very special little cold plunge experience because we are in a very deep valley that is overgrown with beautiful plants. It looks almost a little jungle-like, and because of many rains this year, I said that last year too, but this year was even more rains. A nice little stream has formed here, which is usually not there, and it is a perfect spot to now have a cold plunge at this time of the year. We have sunshine today, no wind, but only this little stream flowing. It's absolutely beautiful. Ready. We go really deep in this jungle. Under the canopy. Definitely cold. Looks so good. Wow, it's not very deep. You can sit down anyway. Enjoy it. Cold pouring down. Woohoo! You can really feel how the cold gets you energized. And now the only thing you have to do is relax. I love it. Ooh, it's amazing. Nice. Just a little stream that forms in the winter, and in the summer there's nothing here, but wow, enjoy the elements. This is the flower of the clover leaves here, of the clover plant, and it's very tasty. You can eat it. It has like a citrus kind of taste. Very good. Fresh stuff. Always, everywhere around you at this time of the year in Greece. Oh.